Africa Content TV.
Yes. No shade. No clothing.
Say again, no shade.
No shade. No clothing. You are from there with me?
Yes.
No shade.
No clothing.
Welcome. God bless you. Thank you. Who's having a business as massive as this? He has done so well to himself. Even when he don't make himself available for us to see, the business still goes on. And he took it upon himself at all times. So sounds like a real role model, not a real role model. And I bless this place too. Once again, I bless it many of the time. And I'll continue to bless it because you never relent in what you are doing. You are in pride to the whole lot of those things. You show people the focus on whatever you are doing, you shall get there. God shall bless you.
To the king of boys. The king of boys.
Doctorate degree to apostle. With all of that, you can translate today.
A millionaire in 2 hours of this meeting, Mr. Sheibodi. I'm really grateful.
And even seeing Daddy is a legend.
Yes.
I grew up the same with Daddy. I look up to Daddy MC. Daddy. I look up to you, the chief governor. I look up to you, sir.
Something that's so good about you young people is you've been able to diversify in many ways. And that is what the Western world will not really afford to give to us. They can enslave us. They can redirect what we truly stand for that does not represent the real us. But now you're diversifying, you're doing many things. Anything you know you're doing, keep doing it.
Yes, sir.
Showbiz, that's what they live on in America.
Well, you know you are a true leader of showbiz.
Yes, so. Yes, so.
I want to ask for the sake of Nigerian youth, Ashiri, please, for the sake of Nigerian youth, I want to ask Alaji, how has he been able to do it to remain consistent and relevant over the past 5 decades?
Three countries.
Staying power. How were you able to do that?
The staying power, this is the number. And that number is what Nigeria has today, that we're getting so slow to transform into this success we're talking about in the economy. And that's what you are doing.
Yes.
Humbleness in your business will lead you on for many years to come.
Wow.
And that's I do in my business. I started as a younger boy. Professionally, I started doing this when I was 15. I turned pro 15. And I've been moving up ever since then. I'm enjoying it.
Hey!
That's $1 billion investment.
Content
Thank you.